Today, I'll show you how to add a fade to white transition, a clean and subtle way to shift between clips. It's perfect for light, airy edits, or moments that need a soft reset. Let's dive in. Start by loading your clips into the InShot timeline. Make sure you've got at least two. Now, look for the white square icon between the clips and tap on it. That opens up the transition menu. Head over to the basic tab and from there select the fade to white transition. This transition fades your first clip out to white before revealing the next one. Great for videos with a bright, positive tone. You can use the duration slider to make the transition faster or slower depending on the mood you're going for. Once you're happy with the timing, tap the check mark and that's it. You've added a smooth fade to white transition in just a few taps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy InShot tutorials.